my name is Wayne Getson from the small town of O'Leary in Prince Edward Island, and today we're going to be given a few demos and instructions on the maximum 30-litre wet-dry shop vac. First and foremost, it's a powerful machine for the size of it. On the back of it, you have a few tools that come in very handy, very easy to use. Everybody knows how heavy a phone book is. This one here is just less than 600 pages. Well, let's see what happens. Not bad. Not bad. Now, let's go one step further and see if it'll do that at the end of the hose. Only takes a second. Put her on, we'll try it again. 10-foot hose, nice hose. 10-foot hose with a phone book. And if you needed to take a few pages out, well, it'll do that too. Just eats right up. Tons of power, tons of power. Let's try now. Nothing any heavier to vacuum up than sand, especially on PEI. We're surrounded by water. Put a bit on there, or put a bit on the floor. Oh, quite a bit. Now, see if there's any trouble. See again, 10-foot hose. Right. You can always use the attachment if you wanted. Looks like the same. One pass, no problem. You can also do floors, etc. with it if you like. Another nice attachment. That's this. Hook it up. Try some sand again. Pretty much one pass and it's cleaned it up. It's a compact, powerful little machine. I would recommend it to anybody. One thing I might add is, one thing us guys don't like doing is read the instructions before you start, especially on the HEPA filter, which is just a great addition to this machine. Like I said, 30-litre shop vac from Canadian Tire. Highly recommend it to anybody. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again. Goodbye.